Hello, welcome to my app design for SafeSpace. So this is a app that's designed to go in VR and is on a 2D presentation screen at the moment. We've created it through Figma, so at the moment we're just going through the loading screens, and then we come to the welcome screen where we hit any button to continue. Then we have a bit of onboarding that comes up. Basically, tells you how to control using your VR controllers when you're into the VR space. So let's move on. So this is the home screen. Now I want this screen to be quite self-explanatory and not overcomplicated at all, as you're going to be in the VR headset when you're in here. So selecting things, there is a selector pointer on the screen, however that pointer will be changed to your guided arrows that you have when you're in your VR headset. So we're going to select the new session. Now this comes up with two selections, both of them are unhighlighted at the moment. If you highlight over this one, you have guided session, and then if you go to this one, it's solo session, and it will take you into the session. We're going to go back because I want to show you the rest of the features. So here we have previous session, and it highlights over so you know what you've selected, and we've got different sessions already saved on there. We have our profile feature. Now our profile feature is created by the therapist that is working with you within SafeSpace, and so you have a bio which they talk about, your issues and things you want to help improve. You have a personality slider where you set your slide and they work from there. We have the profile breakdown. Now this is a list of goals as well as pain points and frustration, motivations, expectations, interests and influences. I based this persona on someone I actually know, I spoke with. So this is quite an accurate profile for that person. Obviously the name has changed and the age has changed. Okay, so next up we're going to go to a progress. Now tracking your progress when you're using the SafeSpace app, when you're actually in doing a session, you've got guided sessions, solo sessions. At the end of each session, you get to rate how you felt the session went, so how productive it was for you. One method is at the end of each session we ask you to explore your experience and compile a bar graph to allow you to track how your sessions are. Another method is utilizing gamification methods. You can create milestones and achievements that the user unlocks that utilize within the SafeSpace application. For example, completed your first guided session, complete 5 guided sessions, spend 5 hours in the SafeSpace app, and so on. Okay, the next one, we've actually got an appointments. Now you can create and book your appointments. Here's the April, as you can see, we've got 2 sessions booked in for guided and 2 for solo. If we go over to May, we have no sessions booked in. So we click book a session, and then you've got your book a session. Now if you select your drop down, it will give you the date to select. If you select type or session, so guided or solo, you select that and then you click confirm, and it will pop up on the screen once you've confirmed it. We also go through to June and we go back. So this is, as I say, the operating UI for SafeSpace so far. Any questions?